All right, we're starting this one out in Cerritos. And of course, we're hitting up more of these. I'm talking about this for the last month, actually for the last couple years, but last month they've been covering it here and there. I haven't hit up as many stores as I wish, but yeah, you got Swingman jerseys, Mitchell and S. $45 for Penny Hardaway. These have been free almost. $25. Well, it's $65 here. $25 at most spots. 40% off on top. Got one of their Hall of Famers. Moncrief right here. If you're into the Bucks, $45, you get another 40 off. These are all smalls. You got a Shaquille O'Neal right here, $45. Johnson, LJ. Got more. Is this another penny? Yeah, another penny. Petrovic. These have been $25. Yeah, $25. 40 off on top. Got some more Lakers ones. Abdul Jabbar. How much are these? Oh, this is an authentic. This is an authentic, right? Yeah, I got the number on the right here. What is the going rate for these? $45? What? $45? Are you effing serious? Is that marked incorrectly? There's no way these are $45. Okay, only one of them is marked. I think they marked it incorrectly. And I'm pretty sure I can't fit this. I tried it. I tried on the Jordan one. I did buy a Jordan one, but it wouldn't fit. But I tried it on. Got another Petrovic. These are all the mediums. Larry Johnson, LJ right there. LJ, that was Grandmama, right? It's Grandmama. Dude, there's no way. There's no way. I think they marked it wrong. But we're going to try it on. I'm going to pray it fits. All right, I just realized why these don't fit, but the Swingmans do, because the numbers on these do not expand. The Swingman ones, they do, because they're screen printed. These are not, so it doesn't stretch. So my shoulders cannot get around this, but I cannot, in good conscience, leave this here. I can't. I have to pick them up. Yeah, they marked this incorrectly, and they got to pay for it. I got to grab this at this price, dude. See what's going on here in the large. Is this a kid's, right? Yeah, this is a kid's Petrovic. Right here, got a kid's Leonard as well. These Kawhi Leonards have been... Dang, this is a men's. This is a men's, $68. Got a Ja Morant, going for $49. And those of you guys that live in LA, you guys had access to these for way cheaper. And I was able to grab one at the Foot Locker outlet. I heard the Foot Locker outlets changed a lot. I'm going to have to visit them. I do got one of these PSG jerseys. $71, $40 off on top. LA Kings hoodies going for $50. Damn. Yeah, I'm going to have to hit up couple more of these before the weekend's over. Yeah, $45 for another Moncrief. Got some XL stuff right here. Trey Young's and an XL 120 still though. At least you got that extra 40% off. Got some Boston shorts right here with a bunch of flowers on it. I don't really understand it, but whatever. $53. Got a couple XLs. And then a Mets hoodie right here. XL. You got these Mother Lovers for $15. Wow. Got another Trey Young, 120. Dang, but all the Trey Young stuff going on sale. Then we got a t-shirt rack right here, 40% off of these as well. Got this. Is this for kids or is this for women? I don't know. I'm confused. Oh, this is a girl's fleece. $34. It's not for women. I guess it'll fit some women, right? LA Kings right here, $21. Cowboys $15. Steelers $20. Another one of those kids Petrovic jerseys. Got a medium t-shirt right here, $25 for Lakers. $15 for Seattle Seahawks. St. Louis Cardinals. I was like, who's that? Birdo Nacho, what the hell? $5. So 40% off on top. $3, man. Lakers hoodie. This Lakers pullover. This is for girls again. $34. Will this fit someone I know? I don't know. Nah, not a kid's medium. I don't think it works like that with developed women, right? You don't know what I'm talking about. $25? Maybe a kid's large? Would that work? $34. Kids large. Would that work? Do kids large equal a small women's? I don't know. I'm too lazy to make phone calls and check. Sometimes I'm like that. Super Bowl shirt. Nobody wants a damn Super Bowl shirt. Damn Niners fans. Still got these. right here. Yeah, nothing too crazy though, nothing too crazy. This is what, $10, so $10 socks right here, stance socks for New Orleans fans. And then $5 section right here. Is this $5? Pittsburgh Penguins license plate holder. What team is this? What team is this? Same one. Same one. Dude, dang it. Dang it. Dang it. All right, let's see if they give it to me for that price. Let's see. Let's see. So apparently it was marked correctly, and they had mediums and larges before, but yeah, I don't know what prices they were though, because they do progressively drop the price. Might have been able to get it for hella cheap, but like I said, I came here late, man. I've not been going around to as many lids as usual. So it was $18 off, $27. I did have points available, so I used the points. Came out to 14 bucks, dude. 14 freaking dollars. So it was what, 300 down to 14 bucks. 300 down to $14. Now I just need to lose 20 more pounds. We'll see, we'll see. They got some sort of kids event over there. All right, we do have a Shoe Palace, and I might hit up a few more lids before the sale ends. I swear Shoe Palace is the only ones that have released these, which is freaking crazy. I don't think anybody else has released theirs yet. Do got the Metallic 5 Hydros right here. They always release these with all the OG Jordan retros, and this is nubuck. This is nice, holy crap. I have chilled on buying a lot of the slides, but we used to be able to find those for $20, $30, and lately we have not been able to do that. And then what is this? What is this? They got men's pairs of the black cement 3s. What is going on here? Size 8 on display. That is freaking crazy. Haven't seen that since Indianapolis when I was there last week. And that was a brand new store that opened. I actually saw that store before it's listed anywhere. It wasn't even listed on the Snipes website. Was not even listed on Google Maps. And I happened to see, I think they were having their soft grand opening. That's why they had all the stuff there. And I did put that in the description, but none of y'all fools read the description. Do got these 5s right here, the sale 5s with that great material. Not tumbled though, I kind of like tumbled leather, but on the 5s they use a lot of non-tumbled leather for whatever reason. But yeah, these look dope, dude. These look dope. Not the easiest to match with stuff, but yeah, these do look dope. I do like 5s. I do like 5s. These are $2 for those. I got the reverse metallic 5s right here. And then do got some lows and some mids on sale. And this is one of Nike's new silhouettes right here. Is this the City? I forgot what this is called. This just came out, but it does have that pretty thick nubs on the outsole right there, and then the upper kind of looks like an Air Force One, but not really. Okay, you got these red boys, $99.99. They came out with multiple colorways. They've been doing that lately, huh? They release a new shoe, they'll come out with 4 or 5 different colorways. They already got 4 colorways right there. Then the shocks, these are the R4 shocks. R4 shocks right here. The Vince Cadas. I would like to get one of those eventually, but I definitely ain't paying retail price for those right now. This is all the sneakers they have on sale. Kind of been the same stuff they've had on sale for quite some time. What is this? I was like, is this a Dunk? Is this a Terminator? What is this? What is this? Nike Big Low? What the hell? What the hell? $60 for those. And got a couple of Cortezes that kind of stick out. Hirachis right there for 50 bucks. Another Cortez right there. All right, this deal was too good. I'm gonna have to try to check out at least one more. All right, we out. I think we're doing one more stop, South Bay Galleria. And this is the second deadest mall in Southern California. No flagship stores. And a ton of stores are closed. But this is gonna be the deadest mall soon, because the Puente Hills Mall finally closed. Used to hit up this mall all the time when I lived in Hermosa Beach. They do have a Fanzz, that's why I came here. And they got a bunch of stuff for 40% off, including jerseys, Lakers jerseys. I'm gonna have to grab something. I'm gonna check out the t-shirt rack first. I'm gonna grab at least one Lakers jersey over there. They're just too cheap, $27 I think. And you got Red Sox shirts right here. These are 47 brand, $10. So that's $6 after savings. What's up with this Lakers one right here? $20, so it's 12 bucks. Dallas Cowboys Fanatics hoodie right here, $25, normally $77. Holy cow. Padres Nike shirts, these are mediums, 18 bucks for the Nike and 47 brand. Large Dodgers shirts right here, $20. Those are Fanatics. Giants shirt right here, $15. Cubs right here, 47 brand, 15 bucks. Remember, this is all before a 40% discount. 47 brand, 15 bucks. Got a Justin Jefferson shirt, $15. Fanatics Falcon shirt, $20. These are both XL. Kids Mitchell and S, $5. $5 for a Mike Bibby shirt right here. George PG shirt for kids, 10 bucks. Got $10 hats right here, trucker hats. Yeah, these are all going for 10 bucks. I see Lakers. I see Bulls fitted. Bulls fitted for 10 bucks. Clippers right here. Is that a Japanese baseball? What the hell? What the hell? Got Bengals right here. Got, is that Mighty Ducks? And who the hell is this? I don't know. Is this Houston? I don't know. I don't know. But got those, $10. Raptors hat right here. Oh wait, what's up with these beanies? What's up with these beanies? $36. Let's say, oh, I think this is the $15 one. I think these are all 15 knits. Yeah, 15. Got Eagles. A couple of Eagles ones right here. I'm surprised those haven't sold out. And then do got cups right here, $10. We got Patriots, we got the Texans, and we got the Cheaters right there. All right, let's get to these damn jerseys. See what's up. We got a Robert Horry. I did purchase one of these for $25 or $27. 27 bucks. And do got Tentacumpo. These are a medium and a large. Down to 90 bucks. That's what, $56 after the savings. Morant, $60. Do got this Vince Carter one right here with the flower. I don't understand the flower thing. I just don't get it. Don't get it. Obviously, that's why it's on sale. $45. They're small. The Petrovic, these should be 25. Yep, 25 for those. Got some Batman ones. That type of stuff. And then also got the Kings jersey right here. This is an Adidas. An Adidas Kings jersey. $50, 40 off, so 30 bucks. All right, so I haven't finished the Lakers. They do have a Worthy. I did? Oh, no, I didn't grab a Worthy. I got a... Which ones did I get? Shoot, I just bought a couple jerseys. I don't remember which ones I got. Did I get a Worthy? Did I get a Worthy? I just bought 3 jerseys. I'm trying to remember what they were. You got the Swingman Shaq one right here with the flower. The flower thing's a little bit weird, dude. I would grab those, but the flower thing's a little bit weird. Got a few more John Morants going for $49. These are Nike, $49, another 40% off. I just bought 3 jerseys. I think I bought a Kurt Rambis jersey. I think I bought a Rambis. I believe I bought a Rambis. I bought a Ori jersey, and then I also bought an authentic jersey as well. That was a Kareem jersey? I don't know. But this is 27 bucks. I'm gonna go try it on. I'm gonna go try it on. And they do have the standard tiny mirror. I don't know why every lid has this tiny little mirror. Yeah, it's a little bit tight. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little bit tight, but I need to lose a few more pounds anyway, so I'm gonna grab these, especially for $20-something. 27 bucks, I think that's what it came out to. But yeah, got collected. I am increasing my jersey collection, especially in the smalls. But remember, the Swingman fit differently than the Authentics because the screen printed ones, it stretches a little bit more. The Authentics don't stretch. But yeah, definitely gotta grab these. Hell yeah. They do have some other jerseys on sale. 50% off Trae Young Nikes right there. They got a few of the old school jerseys up top. 30% off LJ, Grant Hill, couple Grant Hills, couple LJ jerseys. Also got a Sean Kemp Cleveland jersey up top. Got a Zion. Trae Young's 50. Prescott jerseys going for 30% off. Parsons jersey 30 off. Walter Payton jerseys right there. Do got a Harris, Najee Harris. Got the Authentics. Are those No, those are the Swingmans or the Legacy ones or something. I don't know. But yeah, I do got a Dion and Brady. Then a couple of hoodies on sale, t-shirts as well. And 30% off these ain't bad, but not the great deals. Not the great deals I'm looking for. I just got one of these hoodies with that one on it. That's pretty dope. But yeah, this is towards the end of the sale, so this is pretty much about it, dude. But I've been telling you guys about this sale since right after Christmas, or was it right after New Year? But I don't know. But grabbing another jersey, $27, and they do have $10 hats right here at this lids. But what happened to the $5 hats? Y'all remember that? They used to have $5 hats way back when, but they stopped doing that. What the hell, dude? Told you guys this is a dead mall. They used to have, was it a Foot Locker? I think they had a Foot Locker over there. I think they also had a Finish Line or something a while back. No, my bad. They had a Champs and a Kids Foot Locker, I want to say. I think those two. Yeah, they still have a Chic. Check it out real quick. They got the Valentine's Day collection out here. They got all kinds of Crocs on sale. These are $20. That's as cheap as Ross and Marshalls and that type of stuff. Do got the Dodger Crocs, which are pretty freaking dope. $60 for those. $20 there. Maybe people don't like that new design. I don't know. Damn, dude. 30, 40 right there. Got the Midnight Jordan 1 High OGs right here. The Midnight Navies. Still got the 4s. Got the 5s, 11s. And they did put these out early. These release next week, no? These release next week, I believe. Okay. Alright, you got the Air Tech Challenge 150 for those. Also got the Kobe's here as well. What a surprise. Wow. Wow, these are going for $2. Those are both men's sizes. And then there's women's Shocks right here. The R4s are on sale. And then $140 for these. Yo, what the hell? What the hell? Dunk Low Twist, $25? $25? Really? That's the cheapest dunk we've ever seen. What the hell? What the hell? That's crazy. The other dunks right here. I'm gonna have to grab these. They're $25. Let's see if they got the sizes I need. Been buying for a few kids here. What the hell is this? What is this? Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. I don't even know what these dunks are. They call them the LX, the Dunk Lux. I don't know. What the hell? And they got the Valentine's ones right here. All right, 7.5, smallest size they have. Dang nabbit, that's crazy, dude. Dunk Low Twist. Now I feel stupid for skipping that last Chic. That was the one in Cerritos. I skipped it. God dang it. That's why you gotta check everywhere, right? Dang nabbit. All right, that was pretty freaking crazy. Still got grade schools of those. Grade school of these two. Seeing if it has 3M. I don't think girls would like that one though. All right, that's about it. That was crazy. That's why I hit up as many of these as I could. I think that's it, dude. I think that's it. I don't have time for any more. I gotta work. Tomorrow I'm working the weekends and stuff. All right, we're out, man. We're out. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys check out this dead mall if you guys want a nice locker room by Lids. Yeah, this mall's dead. Holy crap.